Luis and Paul, our superstar plumbers at Ben Franklin Plumbing in Sacramento, are here with a standard water heater installation. This water heater was leaking from the tank at 15 years old, so the homeowners chose to replace it with a 50-gallon Bradford White heater, which is an upgrade from 40 gallons. Before he begins the removal, Luis drains all the water out of the heater and disconnects all of the piping and seismic straps.
Don't be confused the way.
The expansion tank was so badly rusted it would not spin off as intended, so he wasted no time in using a Sawzall to cut it right off. With the old heater out of the way and the new one in place, Luis replaced the water shutoff valve and began installing the new water piping, which he will upgrade to stainless steel fittings and flexible supply hoses.
Just release and you will find you're gonna fly away. Glad you're going my way. I love it when we're cruising together. The music is played for love. Cruising is made for love. I love it when we're cruising together. Baby, tonight belongs to us.
He is careful to make sure the piping is going to line up with the new heater. Because the vent pipe is the most rigid, he connects that first.
And inch by inch we get closer and closer to every little part of each other. Ooh, baby, yes. Let the music take your mind. Just release and you will find.
Next, he will connect the expansion tank and water supply hoses.
I love it when we're cruising together. The music is played for love. Cruising is made for love. I love it when we're cruising together. Cruise with me, baby. Oh, baby, let's cruise. Let's float.
Paul then steps in to solder the temperature and pressure relief pipe. This is a safety mechanism the water heater uses to relieve the tank if the heater overheats or experiences abnormally high pressure. Finally, Luis connects the gas with a new supply hose, fills the tank with water, and ignites the pilot light.
Let the music take your